Introducing the ICY MB876SK-P 3.5-inch mobile rack. It is built using lightweight aluminum and uses our Easy Slide tray system for hassle-free drive interchangeability and maintenance. On the rear, you will see a 4-pin power connector, a single SATA connection, and a 40mm fan for drive cooling. On the front, a security lock and LEDs for drive power and drive activity. Our Easy Slide trays are an essential element to the device. The latch is released with a small blue tab and allows the drive to be removed from the bay. The tray is constructed of lightweight aluminum and the handle is built using solid aluminum, giving the tray a very strong feel. The drive connects to the tray using 4 to 6 small drive screws and can be installed in just a minute or two. To install the drive, just slide it in and lock the handle into place, which secures the connection internally. The tray also allows users to utilize drives with non-standard height dimensions. A great external addition to the MB876SK-P is our MB559 series single bay devices, available in 3 different interface combinations. Because they both use our Easy Slide trays, the drives can be swapped from bay to bay in a matter of seconds. An internal companion is our MB45X series multi-bay enclosures, available in 3, 4, and 5 bay versions. With both devices using our Easy Slide trays, transferring drives is no longer a chore.